Okay, well I've got the valve in now, so I'm going to slowly start grinding little pits out of it as I go. And there's multiple areas on the valve grinder that you got to grease before you actually get started, or you squirt little oil in. So you got this spot for the bearings. Then you got two spots over here on the motor mount here. And then you also have two spots on the old motor itself that you need to grease prior to actually using it. The method in doing this is just slowly grinding down the valves to be able to actually get it smooth, get all the pitting out of it. So we'll start doing that.